under the hex.
This is the new home project, isn't it, Bob?
This is it. The new hexagon cabin style thing.
Made out of oak and pine, well, specifically larch.
Which we're going to try and rebuild.
Yeah.
Let's go in. We're in.
It's a work in progress. None of this is our stuff. This is all stuff from previous owners. Okay, so this is the outhouse bit that's attached onto the main hexagon. This is where we are planning to move the kitchen to. We're planning to put the kitchen along here. And in here is going to be the bathroom. In there's going to be the bathroom. Wow, you've really cleared this out, Bubs. And our plan is to extend this wall. Make it a bit brighter in here. To extend this wall out, isn't it, Bub?
Yeah, to make it one bigger room.
Yeah, so like this wall will come out a lot further. This wall needs doing and insulating.
I love these.
I like these floors. These are oak. And they just need a clean up, and I think they could be pretty nice. So yeah, the vibe is Hobbit home. That's the plan, isn't it?
Let's go in through our Hobbit door.
Right, so now we're gonna go into the main part.
Amazing in a few months.
Yeah. This is the before, guys. Our plan is to actually add half a second floor in here. What's it called again?
A mezzanine.
A mezzanine. Yeah, our plan, because the ceiling is high enough. Hexagon shaped window.
Which I want to put an actual window in, so that we can open it and close it.
That'd be cool.
Internet setup.
Yeah.
Which is good.
And we've got 6 solar panels, 1 on the roof, 4 on the roof, and then the others on the side. Leaning on the side, so we're off grid.
Off grid.
It's actually a really cool building.
Once upon a time was all cut back. The big hot tub up there, which we can eventually show. But then round here, under all of this, you can't see an inch of it. Under all of this is one massive decking area. It's all decked out, ready to have a cover put on it, and sofas a lot underneath it.
Wow.
And it's decked with the same boards that are in our outhouse section.
Really?
Oh, strawberries. Right on our doorstep.
That's cool. We've been wanting this
For a long time.
for a very long time, and the opportunity has come its way, and it's a big project, but it's a work in progress and an adventure, and yeah, the opportunity to have a space to be able to help wildlife to thrive as well and work with it. So yeah, it's just literally like the cabins are almost being taken over by brambles, and if you know anything about brambles, bramble roots are extremely deep and they just go and then they take off. To the woods. Water wasting. We need to sort out and and yeah, it's gonna look different for sure. Cabin. No, my end, I really want to learn some more rebuilding skills as well, so it'd be really cool.
Look at the rings on my face in the camera. It's definitely a good quality camera. Shows up everything.
I think you look beautiful. You look cute, baby.
Everywhere we go. Oh, skills. First point of call is to get a lock on the shed. Right, so hopefully Emmeline will be here tomorrow, but for today we are going to be taking apart, getting this oven out, getting the sink out, getting the log burner out, and then ripping out all the floor. That's what I'm going to start with. It is now. Away. We come on strong and you ain't too long. Boom. That's sick. Can I laugh a bit quicker?
Any help with that?
It's okay.
No? Okay. Thought we were going to move it together.
Stuck. Oh, the movement in this is fantastic.
Look what Kieran's found.
Things you find when you're on this site is amazing. So I've gone back 100 years. Cutting it all back like that. That's what I used to do on the old fields, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Cut it all back like that.
Whoa, that's pretty cool. Still decobwebbing.
Hopefully this is going to work. It might not. But what I need to do is unscrew this. Water's going to flood out. I need to change the connection.
So we had a bit of a water mishap.
Call it that, yeah.
Yeah, so we had to quickly rush off to screw fix because the water was coming in to the cabin and starting to flood the floor. So yeah, the floor's going to be ripped up anyway and stuff, but yeah, we just didn't want loads of major water damage. So yeah, but it's temporarily fixed now. But yeah, now we're on our way to go and walk our dogs that are back at the place we're currently at, because we're not going to be moving into this cabin until probably the end of August time, which doesn't give us a lot of time to do stuff, but we're trying to do as much as we can, as quick as we can. And we're also going to go get some food. So yeah. Now I'm going to clean the windows and attempt to get some of this drawing off the window, which is stuck on the window with crayon. And I'm going to clean the windowsills as well, and then after that gonna do a sweep. We actually have 3 taps on site that have running water around our cabin. I can't wait to paint these walls. We're actually going to paint with lime wash. I'm going to try that on the main walls of the hut because I really love the effect it gives, and so does Kieran. Burnt peachy colour, it will work. I know it might sound a bit strange, but... And then to keep the ceiling kind of magnolia. Window cleaner that's the natural one, so... It's coming off. There's loads of drawings in the window, it's coming off.
It's the first broken drill bit. Means we're working very hard.
That's it for today.
Another day in the bag.
Yeah, got lots done. Kieran built the log store. I did lots of cleaning and de-webbing of the place. Kieran also cleared out this climbing frame that was built there and made all the space for us to extend that out. And also did some plumbing. So yeah. So we'll catch you again on our next cabin refurb video.
Peace.